Hi everyone, how are you? This is Shubhankar Burman on channel Fun, Fight and Learn. Today we're gonna learn how to install WordPress on Windows and make an environment where we can design our web page. So to do this we need to complete some steps. So we will do this in 10 easy steps. Okay, in the first step, step 1, we will download two software, XAMPP, WordPress. Then we're gonna install XAMPP and then WordPress. And to install WordPress we're gonna run or open or start XAMPP, and we're gonna start the first two services of XAMPP, and then we'll open a browser and go to this link or localhost, then we'll go to localhost/phpMyAdmin or 127.0.0.1/phpMyAdmin, and then we'll create a database and see the login details. Okay, we need that so we can log in, and then we'll install WordPress with correct setting. Okay, then create a website and run the website. So now we're gonna complete the first step, step 1. So we need to open a browser and we need to go to Google. Now we're going to download XAMPP, so we need to write XA. Now we'll go to the first website. Now we're gonna download XAMPP for Windows. Okay, not this one or this one. This one is for Linux and this one for Mac OS. We don't need this one since we are using Windows. So we need to click this one and it will be download very shortly. Now we need to go to Google again and we need to download WordPress. So we're gonna write WRD WordPress download. We're gonna go to the first link. Okay, and now we need to click download WordPress 4.7.2 to download the WordPress software. This is the latest version of WordPress right now, but in the future it may be changed. So whenever we download, we have to download the latest version. Since I already have those software, I'm not gonna download it again, so I'm gonna close it. Okay, I'm canceling it. Cancel. Okay, I'm gonna minimize it now. If our download is complete, we'll found those software in the download folder. You see, in the download folder, WordPress XAMPP. Now we have successfully finished the step 1. Now we'll go to step 2 and install the software. First XAMPP, then WordPress. Okay, so we're gonna right click it and run as administrator. You can install by open, it will work too, but it is better run as administrator. A window has opened and there is yes and no. We'll click yes. Okay, this is setup window. We'll click next. This is the folder where XAMPP will be installed. If you want to change it, you have to click here and you can set any folder if you want. I'm not gonna change it. Okay, so I'm gonna click next. We don't need this one, so we're gonna uncheck it and click next. Now the software is installing. We have to wait a few minutes, then it will be finished. This is gonna take some time. It's depending on your computer performance. If you have a fast PC, then it's gonna be fast, and if you have a slow PC, then it's gonna be slow. A little more time and it will be finished. Okay, almost done. So a window is opened and it want to access our network, so we're gonna allow this, allow access, then we're gonna uncheck it and click finish. Now that we have installed XAMPP, we have finished the step 2, but now we'll install WordPress. To install WordPress, we need to follow the step 3. So we'll run and open or start XAMPP. So to do this, we need to go to start menu and find the XAMPP function, XAMPP, and we need to start XAMPP control panel. Click save. A window will open. It's called the XAMPP control panel. Okay, we'll start the first two service, Apache and MySQL. Start. A new window is opened and it wants to access our network, so we'll allow this. Our work is done here, so we'll minimize it. We have started the first two service of XAMPP. Okay, now I'll go to step 5. Open a browser and go to 127.0.0.1 or localhost. Okay, so open the browser and go to 127.0.0.1. Then go to localhost phpMyAdmin or 127.0.0.1 phpMyAdmin. Okay, so we can click here and write 127.0.0.1 / phpMyAdmin and press enter. Or we can simply click here phpMyAdmin. So we have go to localhost phpMyAdmin, I mean 127.0.0.1 / phpMyAdmin. Okay, they are the same. Okay, localhost and 127.0.0.1 is exactly the same. Okay, you see, if we write localhost / phpMyAdmin, the same window will open. You see, now we will create a database and see the login details. Click database. We'll give a name of our database. You can give any name here and then click create. Database has been created. And now we will see the login details. To see the login details, we need to click back and go to user account. We will use the database as root, so our username will be root and our password will be no password. Okay, this is important. Our username will be root and there will be no password. Okay, so we have seen the login details. Now we will install WordPress. How? We will minimize the browser and in the download folder we have WordPress software. We need to open it. If you can't open this, you need to install WinRAR or 7jet to extract this file, and then we need to go to my computer, local disk C, XM folder, and then hddocs. This is our local server folder, hddocs. In this folder we can see our dashboard, so we'll click dashboard and open it. Here we can see a lot of folders. Okay, so we'll create a new folder and give it a name, any name we want, like you can give the database name if you want. Then we have to open it, and then we'll open this WordPress folder and we'll select all the file and folders and drag it here. It will take some time to extract the files. Okay, the file has been extracted to our folder. Now we can close this and we can close this too. We can minimize that. Now we have to open our browser. Now we'll take a new tab and go to localhost/dashboard/sbook9 and press enter. Why? Because our WordPress files, our WordPress software are in the sbook9 folder. Okay, the WordPress installation instruction is here. We will need database name, database username, database password, and database host. We have already seen that, right? Our database is sbook9. Our username is root and our password is, there is no password. Okay, so we're good to go. Now we'll click let's go. Here we have to write our database name. Our username is root. Our password is blank, there is no password. And you can create a table prefix if you want, like sbook9 and submit. Alright Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database if you are ready. Time now to This means that everything is okay. Now we can click run and install. Okay, this is the welcome page. We can give a site title here, like anything you want to show in the title section. Here's your username. There we have to type our username. You can write any name here. Then you have to give a password. You can give any password you want, and here you will give your email, and then you will click install. You can save your password if you want, and there now we will give our password. What we have created just now. Okay, login. Okay, WordPress has been installed successfully. This is our dashboard. We can control our web page from here. So we have installed WordPress with the correct setting. Now we will create a website and run the website. We'll click customize your site. This is our website. There is a theme already given. We can change our theme from here. Active theme, change. We can change our theme. Okay, we click, our theme will be changed. See, here we can change our header media. We can add a new image if you want. Click add new image and then select files, then go to your desired folder and select an image. Click select and crop. Crop image, and then you can publish, save and publish. You can click save and publish to publish your website. Now if we take a new tab and go to localhost /dashboard /sbook9, we can browse our website. See, this is our website. We have just created this website. Okay, so we have created a website and run the website. We have successfully finished the 10th step. But you need to understand that this is just WordPress setup and an environment to web design and development. Your web design and development work has just begun. Now you need to customize your website, create menu bar, widget. You have to create a theme of your own. You can create your own theme if you want, but if you want to use free themes, you can go to your dashboard WP admin to install free themes. In the appearance menu, there is a lot of free themes. You can add new themes from here. There is some themes like if you want to install these themes, then you simply have to install and the theme is installed. Now we can activate it if you want. Now If we run our website, we'll see the theme. You see, our theme has changed. You can use widgets. There is a lot of widgets. You have to create menus. There is header, background, even a theme editor. You can edit your themes if you want. And of course you have to use plugins. There is a lot of plugins. You have to click add new, and then we need to find a plugin that we need and install them. We can use this plugin to perform various web design. We'll learn about WordPress plugin in the next videos. In the menu we can see post. From the post menu we can manage our post. We can add new post. From the media we can manage our media files like music, image, video, any media. From the page we can manage our pages like home page, about, blog, contact, home. You can add new page if you want. So I hope you all can install WordPress on Windows and set up your WordPress web design environment. So go do it now and start your web design and development. We'll learn about WordPress in the next video. So everyone, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel. See you all again on Fun, Fight and Learn. Bye for now.